Hi guys, this is a very easy recipe to make a zinc ointment. You can use tablespoons as I wrote in the beginning, or in this case I used my weight scale. It's not necessary, absolutely. Let them melt together. It's only 3 ingredients and it's so easy to make but so effective. Remember to cover your face when you use zinc oxide. So here it is. Just put it inside your jar, container, let it dry, and when it's dry it should appear like this. As you can see, I have a little rush, so I am going straight to try it. It smells like coconut, but it's so effective, as I said, because of the amount of zinc oxide that I used. And this is it. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.